Okay, okay. Today, it's on. Hey, Brandon. Okay, Sean is gonna roll down the hill. Pretty steep. We're on like Highway 7.
Man, my socks.
Stop doing that. Just roll down. Just jump and roll. Okay. Do it again. That was stupid. If you can get up. No, you have to actually roll, man. Come on, man. Yeah, roll.
My favorite lazy. What? What was lazy to be?
Because you look gangster.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go. He's Frosty the Snow Dick. He's not gonna make it up.
I want it. Oh, yeah, not yet. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah! Give him a finger. Sean's Frosty the Snow Dick. I can't go home like this.
Why don't you turn it off?
Because I have nothing good to do.
You guys want to start walking?
Let's keep walking.
Oh, you fucking people. Hey, yeah.
Whoa!
God, Honk.
Honk.
Some like crackhead teenagers.
Yo, watch. Yeah. Now watch. Sean's mom's gonna drive by.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Awesome, man. Those people are awesome.
The red van, man.
On the high! Okay!
Oh, what a waste of time, you guys. Fucking Asian.
Okay, yo, you're a big truck. These people. Thank you. That one's awesome. Okay! Okay! We just gotta do it.
Wait, right when Sean.
He saw me too, he's like, yeah. Why is it on?
It's still on. I don't know. Why not videotape it? You know, something could happen that could be really, really funny.
Distract someone, they just like roll into a pole.
No, distract someone. Give you some money.
I'll give you this. Honk the horse! Honk the fucking horn, bitch! That's how it camouflage. Oh! Yes!
You guys all suck at dance.
Driver to do it!
Oh my god, yes, the bus to do it. Get the bus. Fucking tacky!
What the fuck? Yo, go like that. Go like,
What the fuck, stupid packies?
No, he doesn't know what it is. I know, he's not like, yeah. Obviously did it too.
Wow. This thing's 4 minutes. It can't go over 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn it off now. Bye-bye.